Hey friends, let's make some pork carnitas today. A list of ingredients and written instructions are in the descriptions below. Sear garlic and onions in high heat. Let's start with cutting pork butt or shoulder with or without skin on. Both are acceptable. Cut them into 2 by 2 inches. Sear and torch meat on a hot stainless steel or cast iron pan. This will bring out the Maillard reaction. Trust me, this step is worth the fuss. Next we prepare the Mexican ochiote paste. This is totally optional. We pour hot water to dilute the paste. We will use this liquid into our Instant Pot in a few minutes. Now let's make the carnitas. We basically just put everything into the pot. All meat, ingredients, aromatic spices, the ochiote liquid plus a little more water. Set the Instant Pot to cook for 40 minutes. I like to deselect the keep warm option generally. After pressure has been released, take out all the meat. Strain the liquid, reserve some to add flavor for when we crisp up the meat. Fridge the remaining flavorful broth, then remove the fat when it turns solid. This gelatin is gold. You can use this in so many recipes like Mexican rice or sauces. Now fry them up in a pan. I like them crispy, so I leave them on the pan for longer. Enjoy this carnitas with rice or in tacos. If you want to know a super easy recipe on how to make fresh tortillas to go with tacos, click on link to see it. If you found this helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe. Have a tacalicious day. See you next time. Thanks for watching.